In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your connected device in Xero seamlessly. This process is essential if you've switched to a new device or are setting up your account on another phone. So let's dive right in and ensure your Xero account remains secure. First, begin by logging into your Xero account on your computer. It's always advisable to handle account settings and security updates on a bigger screen for better navigation and readability. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see either your initials or your profile image displayed there. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu, and within this menu, you need to select the option labeled Account. This is your gateway to managing various account settings, including security features. Now that you're in your account settings, scroll down until you reach the section titled Additional Security. Here, you'll find an area marked Connected Device. This is crucial because it relates directly to where your account's multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is currently connected. You'll want to click on Change in this section to proceed with updating your device. Next, the system will require you to confirm your identity. This step is an important security measure to ensure you are the one making changes to your account. You will need to enter a 6-digit code that you'll receive from your old device. So, have your old phone handy and open the Authenticator app to retrieve the code. Enter it carefully to move forward. Now comes the exciting part of setting up your new device. First, ensure you've installed an Authenticator app on your new phone. Popular options include Guba, Authenticator or Authy, both of which are available for free in app stores. With the app installed, you're ready to align your new phone with your Xero account. On your computer screen, Xero will display a new QR code. This is your link to connecting your account with the new Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Authenticator app and find the option to scan a QR code. Hold your phone steady and align it with the QR code on your computer screen. The app should recognize the code instantly, and you'll see your Xero account added to the list of accounts in your Authenticator app. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Xero account to your new device. This change not only streamlines your login process, but also fortifies your account security. Remember, maintaining updated security settings ensures that your financial data is well protected. So, ensure to keep your device secure and regularly back up your Authenticator code safely. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in updating your connected device in Xero. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn.